Hey guys, today I will make some control over the card. When I get you to pick a card, and then I can find it any time I want. Okay, we can shuffle the deck a couple of time. Yeah. Okay, we can shuffle it. We're going to shuffle the deck a couple of times. Okay, the Spectre should pick a card. Pick this card. No, we do it in another way. Say stop. That's the Ace of Clubs. That should be an easy. Take the Ace of Clubs into the deck here, and we put it in and make some. Where is your card? On the bottom? No. There we have the King of Hearts. But we can take the King of Hearts here, and then you can see the King of Hearts is gone, and now it's the Seven of Hearts and the King of Hearts. It's over here. No. Back to the Ace of Clubs. Ace of Clubs. We can take Ace of Clubs. The Ace of Clubs is on the top. We can take the Ace of Clubs in the deck. The Ace of Clubs is on the top. And that's very strange here. You can say stop. The Ace of Clubs is being on the top. We take out here the Ace of Clubs. We can take the Ace of Clubs. So it's being to the King of Spades. Okay, we can shuffle it into. We can cut. And now I will do the magical thing. Okay, you can see your card not here, and it's not here. Okay, we have the King of Spades and the King of Hearts, and so you can see we do this, and all cards has turned into face up accessible by this card, and this being the Ace of Clubs. Okay. We can also take some bottom control, we can take some double undercut also, where we take a card and we then you can see it's here, and we can get it on the top. Okay, but so we can do this. We can. It's here. We can put it into and here and here. Where is your card? The King of Diamonds. Okay. Your card is now the King of Diamonds. The King of Diamonds is where? Where? Here? There, okay. Hjertet, eller the Eight of Hearts. So we find your card. That was my control over the card. Subscribe and comment and rate me. There comes new video soon, and a new contest number 3. See you next time.